Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to rotate objects in Blender. Okay, so here we have a simple object. If you want to rotate this object, we need to select it. And then we have few methods. First method is based on R button from your keyboard. So we click R and then you can make a custom rotate if you want. But of course I recommend you to click X from your keyboard, because after that you'll be able to rotate on X axis. It is really useful when you are creating 3D projects. But if you want to rotate on Y axis, you need to click R and then Y. After that you will be able to rotate here. It is a very important option too, so I recommend you to check how it works. The last recommended by me option to rotate is to click R from your keyboard and then you need to click Z. After that you will be able to rotate on Z axis, so it is how it works. I recommend you to use these 4 methods because they are really important in process of creating 3D graphics. So if I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And if you have any questions, include them in comments. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.